permanent magnets are localized within inside. See that magnet that's sticking out? There is magnets that are localized alongside the frame. Unfortunately, I've tried to keep it in. I would have to align this with bismuth. I have bismuth powder. I'll show you that later. And, I mean bismuth actually. And I'm going to weld it, the bismuth, along here, along the separated parts in frame, so that I hold the magnets within the area. I'm going to be using my solder gun to weld it, weld right there to touch the bismuth in, because it melts very quickly and allow it to stay in. This is the synchronous motor, like I said. Move up and down. I'll finish the rest. Still got to put for the eyes, for the binocular lens actually, for the adjustments of the visualization. This is the inside of the cockpit. Just have to make little alterations, and the enclosures, I'm going to be using aluminum, and to cover the enclosures as far as this part right here, the coils and all that. And it should replicate the Iron Man faceplate. So my name is Jermaine. Goodbye.